Hello, this is Ralph. This is just some quick training here, some updates so that you will better set up your office and better set up your computer. We're looking at my screen now, and there's things on this screen that would be beneficial to you, and I recommend all of them. The one that's most obvious here is a Gmail account. Gmail is free. Gmail makes a lot of money on these free accounts because of all this advertising. It's down the right hand side, so don't be afraid to get a Gmail account. I have 3 or 4 or 5 of them, and they all route into the same account. They're useful for all the advertising that you'll end up with, and so-called junk emails. I have 730 unopened junk emails at this time in that particular account. So it's useful. You don't want that stuff going into your personal account with MSN or Earthlink or wherever your stuff is. Okay, so do that. Mail.google.com. Okay, next, I want you to look at Slim Browser. A Slim Browser, this is a better browser for going to the internet and opening up programs than is Internet Explorer or most anything else out there. I do recommend it. It is free. The way you get to that is you go to flashpeak.com, Flashpeak. I'll go down to that particular website that I had previously opened. So I typed in flashpeak.com, and up here at the top it says Slim Browser 4.1. So click on that and click on all the I approve and yes and run and go commands in order to get that up and running, and then set it to be your primary browser, overriding Internet Explorer. The reason for that is it's so much easier to find everything you have open. Here's all these tabs. You see my mouse up here? That's a window that's open. Here's another window, and another, and another, and another. These are all windows that are open. You can have multiple windows and be able to keep track of them. There's a window drop down up here. I will click this bit, and this lists all the windows that I presently have open. That must be 20 of them or 25 right there. From there up to there are all open windows, and they're all accessible, and you can find them on your screen. And just click from one to the other. Okay? So get Slim Browser at flashpeak.com. The third and last item is RoboForm. RoboForm is a password and user ID. It keeps track of all those things, and automatically goes to the location, enters your user ID, and enters your password, and starts the program and opens the page after having done all that. So here is RoboForm. Okay, it's at roboform.com, roboform.com. So go to that and download it. It is free until you get past 10 user locations and user IDs. So but go ahead and do that, and at some point you'll have to pay $29.95 for your first computer and $10 for the second one if you want to have it on more than one. So I'll show you, we'll activate my RoboForm here. I'll click on Logins, and it shows this list. There's about 20, there's about 20 and 20 and 20. So I have well over 100 items that will open up anything from various advertising sites, EDC, my bank account, my mother's bank account, the everything in the kitchen sink that's helpful, that you can one-click and go to places and don't have to memorize all those user IDs and passwords. You will not be able to use the same user ID and password. Your favorite user ID and favorite password is not going to work forever, because every site doesn't allow that. So three items. Get yourself a Gmail account because it's just beneficial. It has some things going for it. You can ask me what those things are, other than huge capacity and ability to upload multiple leads or contacts at once, and so forth. And RoboForm and Slim Browser, which is located at flashpeak.com. That's it for me. Bye-bye.